Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of feeling stiff and slouching at your desk? Today, I'm excited to share a game-changing mobility routine that takes just 3 minutes a day but can significantly enhance your posture and overall well-being. Ready to stand taller and feel more energized? Before we jump in, if you're looking to upgrade your home workouts with the best gear, check the description for my top picks. You'll find links to the best height workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and a body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to the main topic, why mobility matters for posture. Maintaining good posture is more than just standing up straight. It's about ensuring that your body moves efficiently and comfortably. Poor posture often stems from tight muscles and limited joint mobility, which can lead to discomfort and long-term health issues. By dedicating just 3 minutes a day to mobility exercises, you can counteract these effects and support better alignment, the perfect 3-minute mobility routine. Here's a quick and effective routine designed to improve your posture and mobility in just 3 minutes a day. No equipment needed, just a bit of space and commitment. 1. Neck stretches, 30 seconds. How to do it: sit or stand with a straight back. Slowly tilt your head towards one shoulder, holding for 15 seconds, switch sides and repeat. Benefits: releases tension in the neck and helps improve alignment. 2. Shoulder blade squeeze, 30 seconds. How to do it: stand or sit tall. Squeeze your shoulder blades together, imagining you're pinching a pencil between them. Hold for a few seconds, then relax. Benefits: strengthens the upper back and promotes better shoulder posture. 3. Spinal flexion and extension, 30 seconds. How to do it: start on all fours. Inhale and arch your back, cow pose, then exhale and round your spine, cat pose. Move smoothly between these positions. Benefits: improves spinal flexibility and reduces back stiffness. 4. Seated forward bend, 30 seconds. How to do it: sit on the floor with legs extended, reach forward towards your toes, bending at the hips. Hold the stretch and breathe deeply. Benefits: stretches the hamstrings and lower back, easing tension from sitting. 5. Torso twist, 30 seconds. How to do it: sit or stand with a straight back. Twist your torso to the right, placing your left hand on your right knee or hip. Hold, then switch sides. Enhances spinal rotation and reduces stiffness. Conclusion: there you have it, a simple, effective mobility routine that can make a huge difference in your posture and comfort. And before we wrap up, I just want to say that your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.